and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk a little bit about makeup brushes, particularly my favorite brand of makeup brushes, which is MODA brush. They are some of my absolute favorite ever. A few years ago, I got my first set of MODA makeup brushes in a BoxyCharm monthly set. And before that, I'd been using some from a knockoff brand that were, I didn't realize it, but they were terrible. But I did get this set from the BoxyCharm. This set right here, just one of their simple professional kits. And I think there might have been 5 brushes in it. This is the ones that I wanted to showcase right now. And these 4 in particular are my absolute favorite kind of MODA brushes that they have in existence. Anytime they launch a kit that has these types of brushes in it, I am giddy with excitement and basically want to get my hands on it. The next kit that I got from them was their professional set, which looks like this. And since I've been taking an online makeup course to receive my license as a makeup artist, I've been seeing that MODA brushes basically are the best kind of quality that you can get for an extremely affordable price. Yes, there are other brands out there that I have tried, but to be honest, the ones that I find that are best in your price point with doing the exact same result would be MODA brushes. Let's just talk for a second about some of my favorite kits. The first kit that I want to hit is probably in my top 3 makeup brush kits that MODA has ever launched. The first one would be their Blend and Defend Neon Kit. It's this one right here. And let me show you this look that I did with these brushes. Now the cool thing about this is that you can basically do like your cat eyes or whatever eyes you want to do without getting gear fallout all over your face, which is amazing. Like I don't choose to do my foundation first, but if you do, you're rest assured that you will not get fallout on your face when you're using this as an eye shield. These are my favorite type of brushes. I'm always reaching for these kind of brushes, particularly these 3, the fluffy brush, the shader, and the small shader. Anytime I see these brushes included in a kit, I get so excited because they are so good. One of the fun things about MODA brush kits is they have so many different types of kits that you can use for any occasion. They launched this kit, which is the Keep It Classy Flip Kit. And you can have a kit that's for the face. And the cool thing is it bends down like this. You wrap this around and it keeps the kit open. So you can be doing your makeup and easily grab your brush. This has 2 flip kits. Here's the first one. And here's the second. I'm pretty sure I've moved the brushes in and out of order, but these were the brushes that came with that collection. When I've gone on vacation, I have used these flip kits. Particularly, I've used this one of the most times. Another one that I've used is this kit as well. It's another favorite. I also love the feel of the handle of these ones, like the scale on it makes it very easy to grip. I like that. And this one too. Another kit that's just gorgeous is their Posh Pastel face kit. This is a really pretty one. I love a lot of the fluffy brushes in this one, and they've got some great face brushes here too. Another great kit, this one. It's one of my favorites because it has a slot for each brush and suction cups on the back. Like it's amazing, so you can suction it to your surface so you don't lose your brushes, which is also great when you're wanting to like spread them out and dry them. That's one of my favorite features, and that's what I mainly use this one for. This one does have some of my favorite brushes in it. This one also has my absolute favorite face kind of brush, which is the stippler brush. I used one of these brushes, it's this one, to create this look. I love their stippler brushes. They are my favorite kind of brushes to use for applying foundation because they are made with 2 bristles. This one's got a purple bristle that goes up to here, and this one's also got a white bristle. That is the top part right there. They're my favorite brushes. They are so awesome. Every time they launch a kit with this one, if I were to create a dream kit, it would include these type of brushes with the stippler brush and the shield. In fact, I'm pretty sure they have a kit with this. I should go shopping. These are some of their brushes from the 5 Below collection that they launched, and I love it. These brushes were so fun, especially this one. It is great for when you want to blend out your setting powder. You just set it on your face, then you buff the whole thing out. And it's perfect for that. I love it. We must discuss one of their most amazing launches that they have done, and it was last year's collection of the Marilyn Monroe. Oh my goodness, this one is my absolute favorite. I kept the box because the packaging was so cute. It was actually so incredible. I mean, come on. And it came with 2 kits in this collection, but they have several different types of kits that you can shop with this collection. The one that I got was the Sparkling Starlet Deluxe kit and the Big Time Bombshell face kit. I don't have all the brushes in here. I'm weird, I like to keep packaging. But I have them, they're just not inside the package right now. But this one was one of my favorite collections that they dropped. And what do you think they had in their collection? A stippler brush, and my favorite type of smudge brushes. I keep this set in my favorite makeup brush bag, which is by Allie Glines. She's got a really great collection of bags. They're gorgeous and addicting. Don't start, but do at the same time. I love this collection because it has the 2 smudge brushes and the fluffy brush, which I love. It also comes with this brush, which is so great for using highlighter or blush, and it just like really gets it angled on your cheekbones, and I love it. So this is another extreme favorite of mine that sometimes I don't use because I don't want to ruin it. That's how much I love it. It's one of my favorite collections. It's my top 3. The Neon Blend and Defend, as well as this launch. My top 3rd one might surprise you. This collection, it was launched last year in May, around the time that I had my baby. And it just reminds me of a certain Disney princess. I bet you can't guess who. When this box comes in the mail, you know it's gonna be a good day. And inside this one was their luminous heavy metal kits, which I loved. I did a Cinderella look with this one a little while ago. And they also have this collection, which is the burnished heavy metal face kit. Again, so many different types of face kits that you can get and literally fit any need that you have. Any trip that you're going on, there's a kit for it. Any makeup thing that you're doing, there is a kit for it. You can also shop these at Target or Walmart or online, or even at Five Below, which I have done before. Those are some of my favorite kits. Sometimes I put them back in the package to save them for later and to keep them in their pristine condition, but I do always pull them out. I love cleaning my brushes. If you follow me on Instagram, every Sunday or even Monday night, I'll post a "Did you clean your brushes this week?" poll, because it's extremely important to clean your brushes. And the easiest way really to do that is either using baby shampoo or just hand soap. They're both pretty gentle enough to use on your brushes. And even better, MODA has different ways that you're able to clean your brushes. They have a full-on heart pad that I have, but in the midst of my move, I haven't been able to find it anywhere. In the meantime, I have a mini version, which is their swirl and switch kit, which can be used to clean off your brush when you're just in the middle of a makeup look, but you also use it for cleaning your brushes too. And it's amazing. I use this, I take it on vacations with me because I'm crazy and love to clean my brushes. Another amazing tool that they have is their little sponges. They've been launching more of these and I'm just like, yes, please, more. We need more. I love these makeup sponges. They're amazing. They do such a great job with blending. I use this one for my eyes. So I'll apply the concealer first, tap this in for spreading out the concealer effectively, then I'll put a powder or foundation on top of it to really set in, or even setting powder. So I use these on the daily. Which MODA kits are your favorites? These are not actually all the ones that I have. I have a lot. They are my favorite brush brand. They're amazing. Again, these are the most affordable kits that you will find, and they have sales frequently, so always check those out. Even better, if you want to save more on top of a sale, or even when there's no sales, use Makeup Magic and you'll save even more on your brushes. Brushes are basically the tool for success with your makeup. If your brush isn't doing a really good job, your makeup won't look as good as you want it to. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful and informative. If you've got any questions about any of these kits, please let me know. One of my ultimate favorite things about MODA brush brands is they are, in fact, and they mention it on every single package, which I love. They are 100% vegan and cruelty-free, as if you need another reason to love this brush brand. Shop these now, online, in stores, Target, Walmart, Five Below. Go ahead and check them out and enjoy your makeup brushes. Thank you so much for sticking around to the rest of the video. I do have a small surprise for you. If interested, I will be holding a little giveaway with one of these makeup brush kits, and it is the Mythic Sea Witch Kit. To enter, just comment below your favorite kit that you saw. Follow me on Instagram for another chance to win, and good luck. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you have a magical day.